guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have for you my 8th and final Miss to Mrs. unboxing. This is very late. I didn't get this until after my honeymoon, so I just haven't really done anything with it, but this was the honeymooners box. Here's the little spoilers card. Again, I will have the link to the playlist with all of my Miss to Mrs. unboxings down below, as well as a link to the website if you're interested in getting your own Miss to Mrs. subscription. It's just a series of 8 boxes for newly engaged people. You can either get it for yourself or you can hook your friend up with it if you're a true homie. So there's that. Here we go. Right on top we have the honeymoon packing checklist. So it has like carry-on, travel bag, bride bag, and groom bag. So it's just some cute little ideas there. And a name change checklist, which I still have to do all of this. I haven't legally changed my name yet, so I'm gonna actually put that up there because that needs to be added to my to-do list. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So first up, let me open it for you. It's this gorgeous little white luggage tag that says Mrs. on it. Just gorgeous. And then, of course, you open up right there, and that's where you have all your information. So that's super, super cute. We went to Florida. We went to Disney World, in case you're wondering. So that would have been really helpful. Here we have, oh, it's double banded, but it is a happily ever after sun hat. And this is actually really good quality. This is a total Instagrammable hat. With my short hair, this actually kind of looks interesting. I don't know. Anyway, that's what this is. So, you know, if you're gonna go somewhere tropical, there's that. But it's super cute, and I really like the quality on this. Actually, I've been like very pleasantly surprised with the price point of the box and then the quality of the items inside. Like, it's good stuff. This is a waterproof bag for your phone. So if you were gonna go somewhere where you're gonna be swimming around and you wanted to put your phone and take pictures, you know, those cute ones that you see on Instagram all the time, y'all know what I'm talking about, then you've got that. These are tube socks. Let's bust these bad boys open. It says just married knee-high tube socks. So that is what they look like. They say just married right there on the foot, and then you have the stripe going up your leg. That is super, super cute. I don't know how I'm supposed to. Anyway, what is this? A pink flamingo inflatable drink holder. I love these. I love to take my Diet Coke in the pool with me, like especially during the summertime. And I just think it's cute when they have its own little floating koozie because I'm extra like that. So I will get use out of that for sure. And then this looks like a bag of some sort. So this is a, what does this say? Wanderlust. And then it has a tropical little zip drawstring bag. That's what it's called. Hi, bye.
Bye, sorry, don't mind me.
Little drawstring bag, and then it has the zipper on the front. That's actually really cute. I could get a lot of use out of that during the summer too. So that's good because not all of this is like honeymoon specific, which is good because I didn't get the box until after my honeymoon. So yeah, but that has nothing to do with the company. Like, we got engaged and then married like very quickly. So, I mean, yeah, but this is funny. So it's a door hanger for your hotel room door. It says just married, don't even think about knocking. Or honeymoon in progress, do not disturb. That's funny. And it actually, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but it has these really cute doodles on the back too that are just super, super precious. So that's cool. Yeah, definitely love this box. I wish I'd gotten it before the honeymoon because I would have been able to use all of those items, but it's okay. It's still really great items, and I'll get a lot of use out of a lot of those things. So that is it. That wraps up my official 8-box series. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. And until next time, stay batty.